morning, Year 1, and welcome to the fourth day of our work on time. So, just like yesterday, we're going to be starting with revision of money from last week, and then we're going to be moving on to some time-based activities. So, you're going to need a whiteboard and whiteboard pen, pen and paper, and not a lot else today. So, when you're ready, we'll get started. Okay, so just like yesterday, I want you to look at more and less of these coins. However, rather than it being 1p less and 1p more today, we are looking at 10 less and 10 more, okay? And I'm absolutely certain you'll be fine with that. You will probably want 100 square to help you with this though. Okay, so welcome back, and I've got my 100 square here to just show you how we can do this. So, start off with, work out the value of the coin, that's 11 pence. So, if we look on the number square, 11 is here. Now, if we're going to make it 10 less, we need to go up. So it becomes 1p. And if we want to make it 10 more, we're going to go down because we count on 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 takes us forward, takes us down. So this one is 12p. Start with 12, count back 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that becomes 2p. And again, we know that that means now that if we are taking away 10, we move up on the number square. And if we're increasing by 10, or we're doing 10 more, we move down. So that then makes it a lot easier. So the next one is 12p as well. So that's going to be 22p when it's 10 more, and 2p when it's 10 less. This is 13p. So that's going to be 3p when it's 10 more, 10 less, and 23p when it's 10 more. This one's 15p. So we've got 15 here. Let's have a look. It's 5 when it's 10 less, and it is 25 when it's 10 more. Next one is 16p. So we move across one, and it's 6p when it's 10 less, and 26p when it's 10 more. So we're just changing the tens each time, either making them 10 less or 10 more. Next one is 22. So we're starting here, 10 less is 12. So do you see the way that we're counting back in tens? And then 10 more is 32. Okay, and our last one is 20p. 10 less than 20 is 10. You probably could do that in your head. And 10 more is 30. So do you see the way that the tens are changing each time when we increase or decrease by 10? Okay, so that's that part of the lesson. We're now going to move on to, again, using the singing walrus to revise those days of the week. So once you've played that, start the video again. And now I want you to tell your grown-up something that you think you're going to do, or you have done yesterday, in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. When you're ready, we're going to share with you what we've decided in class. Okay, so welcome back. In the morning, we said we brush our teeth. We also said we wake up, we get dressed and things like that. Afternoon, we said we do PE. And in the evening, we said we read to our, I'm putting parents because some people said mums, some people said dads. Could actually say grown-ups because some people said nanas and granddads. Okay, so that's what we do. Now, what your task today is this. It's to put each of these activities into a category. Now, if you want to draw a picture and write the words, that's brilliant. But you're going to decide which ones you do in the morning, which ones you do in the afternoon, and which ones you do in the evening. Now, there isn't really any right or wrong with this. There are certain things you're not likely to go to bed in the morning. But you could have a bath in the morning, you could have a bath in the afternoon when you get home from school, or you could have a bath in the evening. So it's up to you. But try to think about, some definitely will be morning. For example, I wake up. Pretty much is going to happen in the morning. I go to bed. Probably you've got a pretty good idea when that's going to happen. So have a go at putting each of these sequences where you think they are. I'm not going to go through it with you here because it's up to you. It's your lives, you know. But if you talk about it with grown-ups, and grown-ups have a think about which ones could be in more than one place and discuss why that is. Okay? And that is the end of today's maths lesson.